So this is the Walgreens photo site. So let me try to upload some document. We have one option called document printing where we allow the users to upload their documents, different types of documents, and then get it printed from the site. So this is how the uh, overlay looks. In this case, in the right hand side, you would see the different formats we support: PDF, doc, PPT. So these are different file formats which we allow the users to upload through our site and get them printed. Now let me try to upload a document. So in this case, when I click on it, I see two options. One is my computer and Google Drive. So my computer will allow me to upload documents which are there in my system, and Google Drive is the integration which now we want to talk about. So once the user clicks on this Google Drive, we show them an overlay where the user can give their account details, Google account details or Google Drive details. So in this case, I have an account which you can see here. So with this, our Google Drive account, to access that, we use FileStack API. So what this application does is FileStack API file picker um, allows user to select and import files from their Google Drive into our platform. And FileStack handles the authentication process and retrieves only the files that the user explicitly selects. I'll show you how the user can select and upload their documents from the Google Drive account. So let me select my account. So in this case, you are seeing the screen because the account is not yet verified from Google. So once I say continue, by the way, that previous page is not going to stay once the account, I mean, the Google verifies our application. So in the next page, once, as you can see, the account which I selected, Google is asking, letting the user know that FileStack API will access information from the account you have just provided us. So this is another information page which is shown to the users. Once the user says continue, we show them the scope. So in this case, user can click on the learn more and they will see what are the different uh, options for which we are asking their permission. So in this case, as soon as the user says OK or says done, we will have access to their Google Drive files, and we can download the files from their Google Drive account, and we can also see the names and emails of the people whom they have shared files or information previously. So these are the three services which we are asking the user access or user consent. So once the user is comfortable with giving access to their Google Drive account for this specific scope, they can say yes. And I will also show you the privacy policy of Walgreens, wherein we are clearly mentioning different ways how we collect information from users and how we store what we do with the information which we receive from users. All the details are mentioned over here. If the user is comfortable with the privacy policy which Walgreens has, they can give access to the scope. I will also show you the terms of service which Walgreens has. So in this case also we are clearly mentioning terms and conditions of use and what it is like to use Walgreens services for the users. So user can go through it entirely if they want to and provide us access to the scope we are asking in this case, and say continue. So after this, as you can see, FileStack API will show the list of documents which are there in the Google Drive account, and whatever user has selected, that file only we will have access. That file only will be used by FileStack API to upload and store in our application. And we will abide by all the privacy policy and terms and conditions which I have showed you just few seconds back. So once I say upload, this document is going to get uploaded to our application, Walgreens application, and then user will be able to select and give a print. It is still happening. So I can convert the print size, and you will see this is the document which I selected from the Google Drive, and user can say proceed to cart, and they can get it printed. Now coming to one more workflow where the user probably comes to the site for the second time. So I'll show you how we handle this case. So user comes to the site for subsequent document printing. In this case, we again ask the user to go to Google Drive, select their account. In this case, again, I'm selecting the account. FileStack API is still working behind the scene, and I say continue. And in this case also I say continue, but there is, yeah, because previously I had given some access to the FileStack API for the services I showed you. So this time we need not give, the user need not give consent to these scopes because previously it was given, and this time they can see what are the different scopes we have access to, and they can say continue. So this OAuth protocol is adhered here, and then any document which the user selects, only that particular document will be uploaded to our application, and subsequently the user can get it printed. This is still happening. Yeah, this time probably I'll go for a different size, and you can see the same document which I previously selected. Probably different documents can be selected this way, and for the subsequent times we do not ask the user to give any consent for the scopes. So this is how users can get their documents printed through the Walgreens site. Thank you.